Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. Welcome to Kampong London, the show that teaches you how to make Southeast Asian food in London. Yeah, sorry I've been gone for a while. A bit crazy few months, life, and all that stuff. But today we're here with a banger. Today we're going to teach you how to make Kunafah. Now, yeah. How do I get down from here? Yeah. It's open. Knafeh is a traditional Palestinian dish made around the Arab world and is very famous and very popular around the Arab world. Now, I've had a lot of Knafeh in my day. There are lots of variations out there, but the best one that I've had ever is located in Nablus, a city in Palestine where the dish originates from. Sadly, I don't live anywhere near Nablus. Again, this is Kampong London, not Kampong Palestine, or Asira Palestine, if you really want to get Arab about it. But the next best thing I can do is make it at home, which I'm going to teach you how to do today. Now, this isn't your traditional version of Kunafah. If you want a more traditional version, please let us know down below. Is that what the cool kids say? But this is more of a contemporary version that uses more cream, and you'll see, and you can decide whether you like it or not. If you don't, please let us know and we'll try and make a traditional version. Now, without further ado, let's get to work.
For Kunafah, you'll need 1 box of Kunafah pastry, sold under the name of katayif, double cream, 1 lemon, 1 pack of Halloumi, the one that you see here has been drained and grated, salted butter or Ghee, ricotta cheese, 2 packs of grated mozzarella, sugar, saffron, semolina, and a big oven dish. First, we'll start making the syrup. We'll need 2 cups of sugar, or more depending, 1 cup of water, half a lemon of juice, and a few pinches of saffron. Bring it to the stove and let it boil while we work on the rest of the dish. Next, we'll work on the Kunafah itself. We'll take a box worth of katayif and break it apart into strands. To stick the katayif together, we'll need 5 or 6 spoons of ghee. Melt it on the stove and add it to the Kunafah. Then mix it together. This will work as the base for the Kunafah. Next comes the creamy aspect of the Kunafah. For this version of the dessert, we'll be making some cream to add with the cheese. In a big pot, add 1 cup of semolina, 1 tub of double cream, and 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Whisk all these ingredients together over medium heat until it thickens up. Once thickened, take it off the heat and let it cool. We'll next work on the cheese. We'll take our ricotta cheese out of its packaging and dry it. Then proceed to mush it up and add it to our Halloumi cheese, which has already been grated. Mix them together. Finally, we can start putting these parts together. Take your katayif ghee mix and cover the base of the oven dish. Try and get a nice even coverage without leaving any spots blank. Then add your double cream mix. Get an even spread all around and flatten it. Next, add 1 pack of your grated mozzarella. Since we're layering it on, add your ricotta halloumi mix. Try and do it in small clumps. Following that, add your 2nd pack of grated mozzarella. Finally, add some more of the katayif ghee mix and cover the top. Put it in a 200-degree preheated oven and let it cook for about half an hour or until it turns crispy brown. After it's cooked, we'll need to decorate it. To decorate and garnish the Kunafah, we'll add some chopped pistachios and rose petals. Before decorating, add your syrup. As you can see here, we were really impatient, so we only decorated half of the Knafeh, and it tasted divine.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Kampong London. Yes, I've missed all of you guys. I'm so sorry. I've been away, been busy with life stuff. But yes, I can assure you that a new episode will be out every month. It won't be weekly like before, because, you know, a bit crazy. But there will be an episode out every month. Hopefully, if we are kind of, if I have my timetable frees up, hopefully more. So I'll see you next time. Cook for your family. Tell them you love them. And Assalamu alaikum.